Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 10 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. You need to start by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access About Device. Following that, tap on device name and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Sunny. When you finished, you need to tap on Save in the pop-up. And as you can see, after that, name of my OPPO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!